In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Dodge Ram 1500. This will be located on the driver's side of your engine bay. Let's get started. Towards the back of the battery, right near the brake booster area, you'll see the negative terminal. Use a 10mm wrench or socket and loosen this up. With that loosened up, we can disconnect it. Set this aside where it can't bounce back and make connection. On the other side, we'll have the positive terminal. Sometimes this has a cover. Once you peel it off, same thing, 10mm socket or wrench, loosen it up. With that loosened up, you can remove it. On the front of the battery, you'll see where the hold-down bolt is with the hold-down itself. Use a 10mm socket with an extension to get this out of here. Pull this up and out. Hopefully your battery has a handle, so lift that up and pull the battery right out. Now, reinstall your battery. Now put in the hold-down block. And we're going to install a new bolt. I put a washer on mine. Now let's snug it up. Ensure that this is properly secured. Now let's reconnect the positive terminal. Ensure that there's no corrosion on here. There isn't for me, so that's good. Now use a 10mm socket or wrench and snug this up. As soon as you feel a little bit of pressure, stop. Don't keep going until the mounting nut completely stops spinning. That would be way too tight. If you cannot spin this with your hand, that's plenty tight. Once again, do not over tighten this or it will stretch the terminal. Cap this off. Now we can reconnect our negative battery terminal. Ensure there's no corrosion on this. And tighten it up with that 10mm socket, making sure you do not over tighten it and stretch the terminal. So as soon as you feel some pressure, pause right there. If you can't spin it, that's plenty tight. If yours has a cap, go ahead and put the cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.